So what you'll need is, of course, butter. Here I have 50 grams of softened butter. So I took the butter and put it in the microwave for roughly 10 to 15 seconds on high setting. I don't know, I think 1000 watts, if that makes sense to you. To that, I'm going to add roughly 3 grams of paprika powder. It roughly translates to a teaspoon of paprika powder. The same with the curry powder, 3 grams or a teaspoon. And the same with the garlic, also 3 grams or 1 clove of garlic, medium size. Pressed. And to finish it off, some pepper and some salt. I think it's quite important that you use fine salt and not the cracked one that we usually use, not the sea salt, because it gives a better flavor to the sauce or to the butter. And don't forget the boiled potato, but it really depends on where you're going to use the sauce. Preferably not on your body, maybe on your car, I don't know. I don't know what kind of things you use butter for. Just eat it, don't be weird with it. Let's do this! So, it's as straightforward as it is. You take your butter, add the paprika powder, the curry powder, garlic. If you like garlic, you can always add more, it's perfectly fine. Then season it with some pepper and a little bit of salt. And then just mix everything together. At first it will look a bit dry, but just keep mixing so that every spice is combined with the butter. As you can see, the sauce looks pretty intense. Once it's mixed with the potato, it's really nice. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. It kind of looks like a dessert. Kind of want to take a big spoonful of it and eat it.
Do it.
Don't.
It's the same with bath bombs. They smell so nice, but they taste like crap. And that's it. Now let's put it into a potato and taste.
Time for a taste test. Cheers. Let me just take one more bite.